Hello, I'm so delighted to share with you a general understanding of the energy efficiency machine, the innovation and growth engine for electrical wiring companies. So here we have a business innovation in a scale-up architecture. It's a whole machine. So we have all the various inputs and the result of it. So that is it. So running a business in electrical wiring industry can really be tough. If you are struggling to secure high value deals or make enough profits, no, you are not alone. Yeah, for over 80 percent of electrical wiring businesses face the same challenges. But here is the secret. It's not to hire employees, obtain loans, equipment, purchase raw materials, spend money on salaries, rents. It's about having a business model and go to market engine that identifies business opportunities no one is going after. Through business model and go to market innovation, you can secure 2 to 5 huge electrical wiring contracts every month and double the profits made per deal, even without needing expertise in marketing or sales teams. Now, don't let lack of deals slow down your company. In this short video, you will discover the energy efficiency machine, the brand new innovation and growth engine electrical wiring contractors are using to consistently close high value deals and grow bottom line revenue. But here is a catch you've been looking for. Okay. So this video isn't for everyone. Uh, uh, it is exclusive for electrical wiring contractors with an edge to scale their business to the next level. You are technically capable, that I know, smart, and have this unique ability to see around corners better than other people. Years ago, you had this germ of an idea for a new electrical wiring business that will solve the key consumer challenges in the construction industry. And instead of just talking about it, you created it. You understand the electrical wiring industry, and and in fact, you are an executor. So you even sometimes catch yourself thinking about electrical wiring features in the shower. So you're obsessed about creating the next big electrical wiring company. You invested your time, money, and efforts to hire employees, obtain loans, equipment, purchase raw materials, and spend huge amounts of money on salaries and rents, and maybe also on insurance. Okay, so you have all ingredients to create an insellable, valuable electrical wiring company. You have the technical acumen, infrastructure, manpower, and material to serve your market. So, the questions I have for you right now is, why isn't your electrical wiring company getting enough clients? The second question is, why aren't you making enough profits? And where is your traction? Why is it so hard? Why is it so hard? So, the point is, you don't have really to worry because you're not alone. So that's why I made this video to provide you answers to these, questions. So I'm sure if you're ready, then let's get started. If you are watching this video, then you face one or more of the following problems with your electrical wiring company. Number one, you you're not getting enough electrical wiring contracts. Probably that's a challenge. So you've invested much money to hire employees, obtain loans, equipment, purchase raw materials, spend money on salaries, on rents, but struggle to consistently get new electrical wiring contracts. And getting clients is like a get some game. Some months you get, some months you don't get at all. So, which makes you operate in high uncertainty and probability. So, then the second is you don't have enough profits from clients. This happens like two for two main reasons. Yeah, it happens for two main reasons. And the first reason is the fees clients pay you is not even enough. So when you get clients, you find it difficult to command high fees without sending them away. You find yourself offering, your high value service for a very low price, which makes it difficult for you to grow your profits. And then the other part of it is that the cost of fulfilling a client is high too. The cost of running a business in the electrical wiring industry, it's high. It's very high. So when you run, operations, you spend a lot of money on salaries, on wages, on rents, on transportation, and electrical equipment, maybe on taxes and insurance. So at the end of the month, you have very little left as profits. Here is a big idea. When it comes to getting high value deals and growing overall profits, most electrical wiring contractors compete at the level of tangible business aspects. That is, hire employees, obtain loans, equipment, purchase raw materials, spend money on salaries and rents, but this isn't where the game is won. Take note, this isn't where the game is won. Those are important, but this isn't where the game is won. So the game is won by competing on business model and go to market innovation. Okay, that's where it's won. So in a world where electrical wiring company can hire employees, obtain loans, equipment, purchase raw materials, salaries, and rents, the secret to now success, the secret to success now lies in having a business model and marketing strategy that can identify opportunities no one is going after. Please take note on that. So while digging um, into some industry reports, I discovered some hidden data, the larger market formula that showed me why most electrical wiring firms struggle to consistently get new electrical wiring contracts. And now we can find that below here. So this is example of an the electrical wiring larger market formula. So you find here 3%, 17%, 20% to 60%. So in every electrical wiring market, only 3% of people interested, in electrical wiring are ready to buy now, right now. So that is, they know they have a problem, know the solution to need, and are actively searching to buy it. And then 17% of people are in information gathering mode. That is, they know they have a problem, know the solution they need, but are still deciding on when to buy it. And then 20% are only problem aware. That is, they know they have a problem, but don't know the solution they need. And the 60%, which is a greater part of it, are neither problem nor solution aware. That is, they neither know the problem they have nor the type of solution that will help in solving their problems. Okay, so most electrical wiring businesses, most of your competitors, they focus their marketing solely on the 3% of people who are ready to buy now. And if you join your competitors to focus all of your efforts on 3%, you are leaving the other 97% of customers on the table. Yeah, you are doing that. So, however, you can't get the other 97% of potential customers using the same outdated business model and marketing strategy everyone else, is is using. So when something becomes, popular, it becomes common, it is cheap, and it doesn't work anymore. So you need a business model, a market offer, and selling system that educates and nurtures the other 97% of prospects about, you know, other 97% of prospects about the problem and position your solution as the ideal mechanism to solve the problem. That is it. So before I show you such a business model innovation and growth system, allow me introduce myself and present provide a tangible reason for my strategy. My name is Reverend Wiringo Justin, an experienced electrical wiring business growth consultant who has previously provided services to top organizations including PCC, Sino 360. I hold a master's degree in social sciences from PDS and enterprise growth strategy and engineering from Sino 360. Now, after extensive research and experimentation, I discovered the energy efficiency machine, okay, a new technology. So, the innovation and growth system used by the most successful electrical wiring companies to 2 to 5 huge electrical wiring contracts every month and double the profits made per deal. Okay, so I'm talking about brands like the Cooper, Tino Electric, the Leading Edge Electric, and the Zap Electrical Contractors Limited. So who consistently close deals worth millions in profits. So here you can find the business model innovation system. Here it is, and how it works, dynamics of it, and the operations. Okay, and results. So this is the exact same system you can implement into your electrical wiring company to consistently get new electrical or wiring contracts and achieve overall growth in your business. So now let me give you a small taste. A small taste of the first step required to build the system into your electrical wiring business. Now, the first step is about isolating your niche and crafting a laser focused market offer based on your services. Now, put in simple terms, how to position your business in the market. Consider these two electrical wiring contractors who present their services to you. Which of them would you choose to do a business with? So, candidate one positioned as a commodity offer, and candidate two positioned as a value offer. Now, let's listen to candidate one. Hello, sir. We offer electrical wiring services. Our services include design of electrical system, piping and wiring of buildings, generator installation, fiber optic and security, camera installation, and solar panels. So it says, please contact us to get a quote and select a package so we can get you started. Now, let us listen to a candidate two positioned as a value offer. A value offer. So, listen, say, hello, sir. Discover the new energy efficiency machine residential building owners are using to secretly legally avoid power cuts and reduce electricity bills by up to 40% for their construction projects. So please watch our trailer video and download our free PDF reports to learn about the system. Okay. So now, which option would you choose from the above, candidates? So everyone will normally go for candidates two, positioned as a value offer. However, most electrical wiring companies present their offer as a commodity, a commodity, a commodity. And the reason why a lot of things do not work well, at the end of the day. So the reason why you must, focus uh, is because it's extremely expensive to market to a broad group of people with a general message. So if your message is lesser focused, the cost to acquire clients will be low and the machine will function extremely well. Now, this first aspect I've shown you is just one of the three aspects we engineer when trying to install the energy efficiency machine into your business. Now, to fully install the system that will help you consistently get electrical wiring contract deals and scale overall profits in your business, you need three components. Yeah, three components. So the first is a good offer to generate market interest. Okay. Number two, a sales letter funnel to warm up leads and generate appointments from leads. And the third one, a high velocity access channel to generate traffic and turn appointments into paying customers. So the point of intersection between a good offer, a sales letter, and an access channel is called the scale-up sweet spot of your electrical wiring company. You can find that here. The good offer that says funnel, the access channel. Here, this is the business, scale-up sweet spot. Okay, it is also called the attainable region. All right. So the scalable sweet spot is the operating region where your business is scalable to millions in monthly profit. So put in another way. So it's the region where a repeatable and scalable business model exists to scale your business. Once the scale of sweet spot is obtained, you can't go ahead and scale your company. No, 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 no. You don't just go ahead and scale your company. So you need to first build what we call a copilot on top of your business model that scans and identifies failure vulnerabilities linked to the decisions you make to scale your business. Now, we have noticed that when you make a decision to scale one part of your business, it causes side effects on other parts of the business, which can result in failure of the entire business. You need a holistic systems thinking approach to making business decisions. Okay. So, with an intelligent decision making copilot, you can measure the financial outcome of every business decision simultaneously, taking into account the impact on all parts of the business. So, this helps you ensure the decisions you make to scale your business don't rather result in the death of your business. So this copilot helps answer answer the key business questions, okay, which are presented as follows. So what number one is, what if I increase marketing budget by 10% for the next 5 months? If I hire a new sales representative, when will the extra cost spent on salary be compensated for by the additional profits brought by the employee? When will we need to hire a new customer support staff? Okay. If I want to increase the number of leads, what else will I need to consider so that customers stay satisfied? How much will I make if I increase the advertising budget by 20%? How much should we spend on marketing if we want to get additional 5 clients this month? And then the other part of it is, if I hire a new customer support engineer, what else do I need to consider in order to take full advantage of the hire? So the other part of it is, how can we reduce the amount of money paid as tax without affecting revenue? And considering we are short in cash, would it make sense, to take a debt financing and purchase a new customer fulfillment equipment? Now, put it in another way. It analyzes the financial outcome of every decision you make on your business, resulting in faster and more efficient business growth decisions. Now, here is the good news. For a limited time, I have attached a free copy of the electrical wiring white paper containing a detailed illustration of the entire system, how you can identify the scale of sweet spot and install the decision making copilot into your business. So, in the PDF report, you will learn the following insights. Number one, the four-step business innovation process used by entrepreneurs to launch electrical wiring companies that scale to 10 times return on investment without raising a single capital. All right. So here we can find that the structure of it, the make market offer, the sales letter funnel, the the validation of the unit economics, and then the installation of the business growth systems. So this is how it is. And then um, the second part is you're going to learn is the golden go to market engine that is used by most successful electrical wiring companies to consistently acquire new deals and increase their profits from clients. So you can have it. This is it. We have the sales funnel, data funnel, and automation metrics. Okay. All right. And then we have the modeling framework used by electrical wiring contractors with no experience in finance to simulate the financial impact of every business decision. Okay, make the right investment decisions and scale their business operations to millions in profits. You can find here the business modeling uh, framework. All right. This is a whole system. You understand? Okay. All right. So I know it's hard to believe things these days. So this PDF white paper is my way of showing you it's all real. After you read it, you will see the truth. If you think this might be helpful to you, follow the URL below to download and read the free PDF white paper now. Look forward to talking to you soon. God bless you.